Are you searching for the absolute best tech gifts for 2025 that will truly blow someone away? You've come to the right place. We're diving deep into the most sought-after gadgets of the year, uncovering those "I can't believe you got this for me" presents everyone dreams of. Get ready to discover incredible new releases and surprising under-the-radar gems that are guaranteed to make their face light up. Don't wait. Click the links in the description below to grab these amazing finds early and make someone's year. Number 1. AirPods Pro 3. This year's latest upgrade redefines personal audio, bringing an unparalleled sound experience and noise cancellation that truly needs to be heard to be believed. It's an instant classic for anyone serious about their music or calls, delivering pristine sound quality. Number 2. Nintendo Switch 2. The long-awaited successor is finally here, promising next-level portable and home gaming that's set to dominate living rooms and commutes alike. Get ready for breathtaking graphics and immersive new ways to play your favorite titles with this revolutionary console. Number 3. iPad. Still the gold standard, the newest iPad iterations offer unmatched versatility, blending powerful performance for work or creativity with stunning displays for entertainment. It's the ultimate productivity and play device, perfectly combining portability and robust features. Number 4. Shark LED Face Mask. Forget the usual tech. This innovative gadget taps into niche interests, offering spa-level skincare technology right at home. It's the unexpected gift that the beauty tech enthusiast will absolutely freak over, combining cutting-edge science with luxurious self-care. Number 5. GoPro Hero 12 Black. For the adventurers and memory makers, this rugged action camera lets them capture every thrilling moment in stunning detail. Its incredible durability and advanced features make it the perfect companion for any expedition, ensuring no epic moment is missed. These are the top tech gifts of 2025 you absolutely need to see.